Hi all, I just wanted to touch base about the first week and what's coming up due on Sunday is your test. So good job on the quiz. I think it's good to make sure you watch all the videos and take notes alongside the videos because that's what you're going to be tested on especially on the quizzes. Now on the tests, you want to review your homework. Right? Make sure you do all of your homework and make sure you can understand how to do each problem. And that's what your tests are going to be based on. I wanted to go over a few things here. There's a problem on the test that students seem to struggle with are, believe it or not, the levels of measurement. All right? So I'm just going to show you two things here that might help you. The first one is a question that has a graph like this. Okay, this question says, the graph to the right shows the average income in thousands for certain years. Identify the level of measurement for the data listed on the horizontal and vertical axes. All right, so I guess what I wanted to show you here on this one, let me see if I can get this to... All right, so maybe you can see that. So this is the horizontal axis, and this is the vertical axis. So let's look at this. Identify the level of measurement on the horizontal axis. Okay, A, B, C, D, and E are on the horizontal axis, even though they're written vertically over here. In this case, that data is a year. So years are interval data, right? Years and temperature are interval data. If you look at the notes or the videos, those specific types of data are interval because there's no inherent zero. So review that. And then the data on the vertical axis is annual income. And that's going to be ratio data. I mean, most of your numeric data is, in fact, ratio. Right? Unless you can, it's specifically ordered, like, top 10 movies, or strongly disagree, neutral, agreed, strongly agreed. That kind of data is ordinal data, right? But it's not a typical numeric number. It's an ordered object, right? So most data is going to be ratio unless it's year, or it's temperature, or it has like that kind of strange order, like a top 10 list. So this, annual income is obviously ratio. And of course, ratio has an inherent zero. So what does zero mean in an annual income? It means there's no money. So just keep that in mind. Let's do one more here on this one. All right. Look, that's ordinal right there. Look, very unlikely, very likely. Okay, that's going to be ordinal. Percent is going to be ratio. Let's look at another one. All right, so now here on this question, you have four types of data, and you have to identify which one is which. All right, so let's look at these. Of course, C will do right away. It says year. That's interval. Pain level, that's a scale 0 to 10. What do you think that's going to be? That's going to be ordinal, right? That's ordinal data. Okay, ordinal. Height is going to be ratio, like 0 height means there's no measurement there at all, like 0 inches high is 0. And allergies is going to be nominal. It's going to be a type or category of data. Okay, so I hope that helps you out. Those two things, for whatever reason, give students a lot of grief. So make sure you look at those videos on those topics. Just because it's a number doesn't necessarily mean it's numeric data. Like a zip code is nominal data, right? Zip code is nominal data. Did I say that? Allergies is nominal? That's A. Allergies is nominal. Okay. So I hope I said that right. Anyway, you get the idea. The other thing is, make sure you do your homework and everything early, as you all said you were going to do in the intro. And the reason for that is that gives you time to discuss things and ask questions. Like if you have something that your computer's not working, you don't find that out till Sunday, you might be in trouble, right? The last thing I wanted to mention is late work. You can always do any of the work late all the way up until the end of the semester, but you will be given a 10% penalty. Now, that's not something that you should rely on because once you get behind, it's very difficult to get caught up. This is a fast course. So, but I wanted to let you know that if for some reason you don't get it in, any work that you do after the due date will be given a 10% penalty. So, anyway, hope this helps you.